Hello viewers, let's compress multi-files on any Android mobile for free and swift sending. So first click on Play Store and then click on Search and type in search File Manager Plus. It appears, so click on it and this is the icon. Click Install. After installation, click Open. Now click Next for privacy option. Now allow permissions to File Manager and also allow the notification. This is the main icon, so let's click on Download File. And now these are the files, picture, document, etc. So let me select few and now click on more three dots and then click on compress. Now we will have the option to make it zip, give it a name. And if I open this box, so .zip and .7 zip appears, so let me click zip and click OK. Now the file is under process, it's running. Now JQ Khan Tech 1 zip file has been prepared. So if I click it and click my files, then I would see the files inside the zip. So extract and cancel option appear. Let me cancel it for further process. So let's long click on the zip file. Now click on more three dots and click on share. So now we will have multiple options like Gmail, email, Messenger, WhatsApp. Let me click WhatsApp for swift sending and click send. Now the file has been sent, and if I open on the receiving mobile, so this appears. So if I click File Manager, I can see all the zip file at one place and I can download it too. Thanks for watching.